Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2024 Mazda CX-5? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your CX-5. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2024 Mazda CX-5 houses fuses and relays for critical systems like the alternator, ECU, and cooling fan. It also controls circuits for components such as the fuel pump and air conditioning. A diagram inside the cover helps identify fuse locations for easy troubleshooting. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2024 Mazda CX-5 protects electrical components like interior lights, power windows, and the infotainment system. It also includes relays for features like the horn and rear defogger. A diagram inside the panel helps with identifying fuse functions for quick access.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.